Let's be good friends.
It looks like the little trains are having fun chatting away.
Down on the tracks. And the nice freight train won the Train of the Year award.
Wow, really?
That's what happened.
Oh? It's Xingxing. She must be done with work. Xingxing! Hi, Xingxing. Hello. Hey, Xingxing, come over here. Diesel has a funny story. It's true. I couldn't stop laughing.
If you really want, guess I could retell the story.
Sorry, I have to go to bed early tonight. Bye.
Okay. I knew it.
Huh? Knew what?
I knew that Xingxing wouldn't want to play with us.
I think Xingxing likes being by herself more.
She never slows down to say hi, not even a smile.
Really?
She's a snob.
I'm not a snob. I just have to wake up very early for my route.
It's a new day in Choo Choo Town.
Xingxing! Good morning. Morning. Oh? Hey, Xingxing, are you getting a wash? Yes. Oh? Diesel was right. Xingxing never smiles or laughs. Oh! Ah! I feel so clean. Xingxing! Huh? Ta-da! Huh? Don't I look like Mr. Herb? I guess so. TITIPO, if you're ready, it's time to start your route. Oh, my. Oh, you laugh!
TITIPO, if you're ready, you should start your route.
Okay. Don't I sound like him? Yeah. We're at the station.
Here we are.
I'm done. Xingxing! Wait for me! Hi, TITIPO. You really are fast. You're super lucky. Oh, thanks. But I think you're lucky. Really? Why? You're good friends with everyone. I want to be, but it's hard.
Oh, hi, Xingxing. Bye, Xingxing.
I'm so much faster than everyone, and I stop at only a few stations, so I can't say hi. But I want to be good friends with everyone. You want to be good friends? I can help you. You can? Trust me, I can. Follow me. Okay.
TITIPO decides to help Xingxing become better friends with everyone.
The best way to break the ice is to be funny. To be funny? Just watch. See? It's funny, right? Yeah. Good. Now you try it. Oh, me? I'd be too embarrassed. I promise it'll make everyone laugh. All right. How was that? You almost have it. Try scrunching up your face more. That was perfect! That was hard. Next, we'll practice speed control. Speed is my middle name. Oh, Xingxing! Wait up! What's wrong, TITIPO? I didn't mean to speed up. I meant to slow down. To slow down? Uh-huh.
You're faster than us, so it's hard for us to keep up with you. Let's practice going a little bit slower.
Ah.
Then you can finally have time to chat. I'm sure the others would love that.
Sure, okay. Go slower and slower.
Now, lesson 3. Giving compliments to your friends.
Compliments?
Yeah, there isn't a train that doesn't like compliments. Okay, try complimenting me.
You? Right now?
Yeah. Come on. I know I have a lot of things to compliment.
You're one of the nicest trains I know.
Really? I guess I am pretty nice. What else do you like about me? I really want to know.
I can't think of anything.
Come on, tell me. TITIPO TITIPO.
After a day of lessons, TITIPO and Xingxing wait for their friends.
They should be here by now. Here they come. You can do this.
Yeah.
TITIPO!
Xingxing's here too.
Hello.
Hey guys, I have something to show you.
Wow! Show us! I'm so curious!
Okay, show us.
Ready? Xingxing, what's wrong? Do you feel sick?
You don't look very good right now. Let's hurry and go see Teo.
I'm not sick. I'm fine.
Oh, that didn't go as planned.
You don't seem like yourself.
Yeah, something's weird.
Hey guys! Xingxing has something she wants to tell you.
Oh?
Well, what is it?
Go on, give them each a compliment.
Genie, I think you are a strong and very hardworking train. You really think I'm strong? Yeah. Diesel, you are so clean and very sweet.
Xingxing, I think you got it mixed up.
That's not what I meant. I meant Genie is clean and Diesel is strong. This isn't going very well. I've never seen you make a mistake before.
Me neither.
I agree with you. I am really strong.
And I'm a lot cleaner than you think.
Phew. It worked. TITIPO!
Xingxing!
Thank you. Because of your help, I feel closer to everyone.
See, Xingxing? I told you I could help. Now, there's just one more thing left to do.
And what's that?
To go on a fun trip together.
Go on a fun trip?
A nice day out is the best way to get closer. You should ask Diesel and Genie to go on a picnic with us.
Okay.
Hi, guys! Ask them now. Go on.
Do you want to go on a picnic?
Oh, what a super idea! It sounds like so much fun!
I'm in.
Me too.
The day of the group picnic is finally here.
Wow, what a great day. It really is.
The harbor's perfect because it's by the sea.
I can't wait.
Isn't it nice we can talk on the way? Yeah, so nice.
A little further and we'll be able to see the ocean.
Yeah.
Xingxing,
Oh. Yes, Mr. Herb?
there are a lot of tourists today, so we need an express train. Would you mind working this afternoon?
Sure.
Great. Now hurry back and get ready.
Okay.
Do you really have to go?
Yeah, Mr. Herb needs my help.
But we're almost there.
Sorry, guys. I wanted to have fun with Xingxing.
Me too.
Ah! I just had a great idea!
Really?
Just follow me!
Hey, wait!
Xingxing has finished work and is heading home now.
I'm so sad I missed the picnic.
Xingxing!
Hi, friend! Hey, guys. What are you doing here? The picnic.
We couldn't have a picnic without you.
We waited to go home together.
We'll have a picnic next time.
Thank you. I mean it.
No need to thank us. That's what good friends do.
That's right.
Thanks to her good friends, Xingxing looks very, very happy tonight.